Hey, I'm Yasin, and I'm a 25-year-old student from BQE University College in Aarhus, Denmark, deeply committed to developing skills in my line of work, which is public administration and social services. I had an intern placement role in media public relations, working for a newspaper firm in New York. I was interning at BQE Media, a newspaper and marketing firm in media and marketing, where I worked on prospecting marketing deals. I was responsible for the administration in digital web and social media platforms. I had the opportunity to learn while engaging with local business owners and making connections and reaching out to potential marketing clients at the same time. My goal was essentially to conduct these marketing deals and create opportunities for content creation purposes. What I liked the most was my intern role following the traineeship program and gaining valuable first-hand experience and knowledge in a working environment, connecting with other co-workers and interns alike, and of course being based in the capital of the world, that is the Big Apple, that is New York City. During my internship, the entire program course, I learned how to be self-sufficient in a flexible working environment and working together with other co-workers toward achieving goals. In my line of work, it would have been developing in practical and gaining practical administrative skills and managing the back end of WordPress websites, uploading articles, also while operating in the media industry, creating compelling marketing content on social media platforms, managing the accounts and reaching out to potential clients and gathering data through self-conducted interviews. The Intern Group's support and experienced team has been very valuable to me and helpful during my stay in New York throughout the entire 24-week program course. I had times when I was worried, and at some point I got sick, so I contacted my the TIG team, experienced team, Brian, and he was always available to contact and reach out whenever I needed him. If you're considering an internship in New York, I would say definitely go for it and experience it on your own. And rest assured, the Intern Group will help you achieve your dream internship. It's great for your resume and will give you future career opportunities to pursue. I want to thank my supervisor John and the rest of the team. Also, I want to thank Jose, who was my placement coordinator, and also I want to thank Brian, who was the responsible guide from the New York experience team.